tornado.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Bexar County, Blanco County, Burnett County, Comal County, Hayes County, central Kendall County, western Travis County, western Williamson County, until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include San Antonio, Austin, Round Rock, Cedar Park, Georgetown, San Marcos, Pflugerville, Kyle, Buda, Bernie, Burnett, Marble Falls, Dripping Springs, Limberley, Blanco, Bertram, Round Mountain, Tanglewood Forest, Anderson Miller Canyon Lake Dam. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Move to higher ground now.